In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the 0X80070005 error code on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First thing I suggest you do is come here and search for services. In here, press anywhere and press W and look for Windows Update. Right click and restart. After that, close it down, search for CMD, right click, run as an administrator. In here you want to type in this command, rec svr32 space quartz.dll. Press enter and it's gonna get your DLL. Now, if this still doesn't work, the other solution I suggest you do is you go and download Windows Update Blocker, and then you set it on enable, or you can try and put it on disable and then enable again. Now, restart your PC after doing all of this, and hopefully it should work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.